Hey cruisers, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're setting sail for the first time or you're a seasoned cruiser, today I've got you covered with the ultimate packing list for cruisers. Stick around because you don't want to forget any of these must-have items. Trust me. Let's make sure you're ready for sun, sea, and all the adventures in between. Okay, first things first, the essentials. No one wants to start their cruise off by realizing they forgot something crucial. So here's what you need. Your passport or travel documents. I mean, can't board the ship without it. Very important, your cruise booking confirmation. Any required visas if you're traveling to multiple countries. And of course, cash or credit cards because you'll want to hit those shops or the casino. And here's a pro tip. Pack these documents in a waterproof pouch. Trust me, the sea is no joke, and you don't want soggy papers. Let's talk clothing. It's easy to overpack, so here's the rundown on what you'll actually need for smooth sailing. Swimwear. Whether you're lounging poolside or hitting the beach, pack at least 2 swimsuits. You need one while the other dries. Pack a formal outfit. Most cruises have at least one elegant night. Think cocktail dresses, suits, or something snazzy. And don't forget comfortable shoes. Something for walking excursions, flip-flops for the pool deck, and maybe some fancier shoes for dinners. Oh, and here's a tip. Leave a little room in your suitcase because cruise shops are a dangerous place for impulse buys. You've been warned. Tech and gadgets. Now let's talk tech. You'll want to capture every sunset and tropical excursion. Here's what you need to bring. Your phone and camera, for those Instagram perfect shots. Host portable charger, because you don't want your phone dying right before you get that perfect dolphin photo. Host, and here's something you may not have thought of, walkie-talkies. With spotty Wi-Fi, this is a fun and easy way to stay in touch with your group around the ship. Must-have extras. Okay, now for the extras, you'll be so glad you packed. Sunscreen. This is a cruise essential. You're going to be outside a lot and no one likes a sunburn. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated, people. And my personal favorite, a magnetic hook. The walls of your cabin are metal. And these bad boys are perfect for hanging up towels, hats, or even tomorrow's outfit. Tote bag for excursions. You'll want something to throw all your beach gear, souvenirs, or snacks in for those days off the ship. Pro cruiser tips. Now, I couldn't leave you without some pro tips from a seasoned cruiser. Here's how you can take your packing game to the next level. Pack a foldable laundry bag. You'll thank me when your dirty clothes aren't mixing with your clean ones. Make sure you take a power strip. Cruise cabins notoriously don't have enough outlets. And finally, don't forget a small first aid kit. Band-aids, seasickness pills, pain relievers. It's better to have it and not need it than scramble to find it on board. All right, cruisers, there you have it. With this ultimate packing list, you'll be ready to hit the high seas with no worries and all the fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a tip from me. Drop a comment below if I missed any of your favorite cruise must-haves. And let's help each other pack like pros. Bon voyage, and may your drinks always have tiny umbrellas in them. See you next time.